There she is. Hey friends, you're watching BrainStormAcres. I'm Henry. We're out for some more chores today. Well, not chores so much as it is we have to go to the dentist for Irene this time instead of me. Jack's in the back squawking because Irene just walked into the post office. Then it's time to get on to Irene just went into the dentist.
Biscuits with blackberry jam and butter. I like my own biscuits better. Jack, you need to sit. You need to sit. Oh, good job, dude. Yeah, I know. Mom's being noisy. Yeah, you see that? Okay, you need to sit again. Good job. I know, your butt just barely touched the ground. Chicken fried chicken. Chicken fried chicken. Look at that charming dude. Suck it down his soda. Woo. There's a puppy back there somewhere. Yes, I am. And we have a giant pile of potting soil and 2x4s and compost in the back.
And screws.
And screws and big screws.
Yep.
There I am, looking frazzled.
Looking windblown, but the wind's not blowing.
Yes, well, taking the masks on and off the time do not improve your quiff at all. Big box store time. Woo!
For several years we used this area right here for the hydroponics that we grow tomatoes in. That was great. The only problem with it is that the breeze comes from the south, which is where this wall is right here. That's no problem, except if you have some kind of disease in the tomatoes, and especially if you get any kind of fungal infection. It was really important that we got this piece out of here and down towards the north end of this greenhouse. And the other thing is, the north wall is all OSB, so you can't get sun through it. It just creates shade, except at certain times of day. It isn't a very long haul from the north end of the greenhouse to the south end of the greenhouse. It's about 40 feet. Well, it's exactly 40 feet. So it's not a lot of work to pull a hose up here. I have some hopes to add some internal water here in the greenhouse this spring. We'll see if I can make that happen.
According to the Weather Channel, today is the first day of spring. And I guess so. The daffodils think so, at least. We have some here. Yeah, I can see some in here. And some over here. So I guess that means I have to finish cleaning out the bed. Welcome to a very noisy greenhouse. Let me sneak in here, away from the fan, so it'll be a little less noisy. Okay. Well, we have been gone literally all day today, running errands. And I opened this place up early this morning, and that's the last time I saw it. So this is where we are at the end of the day. And we're looking pretty darn good, actually. I can see a couple of plants that are a little thirsty. I'm going to hit them with some water right now. I try not to water too late in the day, but sometimes it's better to water and give them something than to let them be thirsty overnight. That's not a good idea. We are starting to get a smidge warmer at night, which is okay. I actually came out here, other than checking on things, because I always check on it a couple times a day. We've got several cabbages that need to get harvested. Either this one or one of the ones down there is probably going to be harvested tomorrow, because it's time for some coleslaw. We haven't had coleslaw in 2 days. Woo! There's a piece of me that really wants to just blow all the hot air out of here, but it is late afternoon, so that wouldn't be a good idea. I'm just going to let it be hot instead, because that'll give us a little bit leeway for tonight. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a pak choi out of here. I think this guy's a good candidate. And I'm going to chop him out. We decided we want to have some Chinese soup for dinner. And this little guy will be the perfect addition. I'll use the whole plant along with wearing good clothes so I can't wipe my hands on my pants. We're going to use him plus some of the carrots that we have from our previous harvest. And I'm not sure what else all, but he's going to be an integral part of our soup. So he'll be delicious. I'm going to really make sure that these guys stay hydrated because, like I say, one of these is going tomorrow. I'm not sure which one yet. I may take the one down there. But I want to make sure everybody stays thoroughly hydrated so that they're happy and they're growing ferociously. Some of these lettuce are perfect shape, others less so. I harvested out the spinach hard yesterday. Just kind of that end of the day, make sure nobody's too wilty. I always try and make sure everybody's thoroughly hydrated because if they're not, it makes them more susceptible to frost and everything else. You're stressing the plant to start with, and then you're going to stress it again by freezing it. That's not a good idea. I think we'll do the pak choi, some carrots. I don't know if we'll put anybody else in here. I don't think so. I have a big pile of broccoli. I have a big pile of spinach. We were debating. We have some more. We have some more tofu in the fridge. Might add that to the collection of stuff. Although we usually save the tofu for the hot and sour soup. So there's my baby pak choi. He's going to become dinner. And he's going to be delicious. Just need to wash off a little bit of dirt on the bottom. And the whole rest of it's going to go in the soup pot. Yum! So, Henry's busy working on videos, and he'll add this in there. So be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell because obviously we're going to be doing tons more. I need to figure out when I'm going to plant my next lettuce. I'm going to figure out. I bought some new cabbage from Haas Tools. 2 different varieties. I'm going to read the descriptions of those and decide whether I want to plant that or something else. I think I have 4 different varieties in stock now, and they're suited to different times of the year. So some of them are less susceptible to bolting, some of them are more cold tolerant, you know, that sort of thing. So the Copenhagen is a very tough cabbage. It's just really sturdy. The Tiara, like these guys down here, are more susceptible to damage. We really like the flavor. It's very sweet, and it's a more tender leaf than the Copenhagen is. So, like I say, we have 2 different new kinds from Stonehead? I don't know. I'll have to look it up for Henry. We have 2 different kinds from Haas Tools that we're going to be trying, and we'll put them in the mix, and I just need to decide when that's going to happen. Probably time to start some other cabbage so that we can be trying the other ones and see what they produce and see where they fit in the matrix of stuff we grow. So until next time, bye, and don't forget, keep on brainstorming, because obviously we still are. Lots more to do.